Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Felicia, and Felicia had a transplant 1 year ago. Felicia, how has your experience been over the past year?
Initially when I first had the procedure done, I was a little worried. I was a little skeptical, thinking that it wasn't growing or it wasn't going to grow. And as time started progressing, it started coming in, and I started feeling a little bit more better about it. And over the last few months, I started beginning to have more confidence because I was able to, brush my hair back, wear it in a ponytail, which I haven't been able to wear in a ponytail in years.
And I just showed you your before and after pictures.
Yes.
What a difference.
Yes.
I mean, your edges are back, your hairline, you're able to go ahead and wear bangs again.
Yes.
Completely different way that you were wearing your hair when I first met you. You were wearing wigs pretty much every day.
Exactly.
And now, lucky to have a wig in your possession.
Right. I don't like wearing weaves, extensions, or any of those braids. I wore a lot of braids, and that's what pulled my hair out. Braids and perms. That was the biggest thing, and now I just try to wear my hair naturally as much as possible. I try to keep it, I wear slick back, I wear my bangs most of the time.
For somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
I would recommend it. I don't regret it one bit.
And with us here at Natural Transplants,
I think you guys, it was awesome because when I came, you guys, you were very patient. You gave me time because I was a little nervous when we first started. I think we waited for about maybe 30, 45 minutes to an hour before we started the procedure. And you told me whenever I was ready, we could get started. We put the movie on. I watched the movie during the procedure. You had snacks and things set out for me, and so it made me comfortable. The ladies were awesome. They talked to me. They made it kind of fun. Made me laugh a little bit. So once you did start the procedure, actually they had already started while they were talking to me, and they numbed everything up, so I didn't even really know anything was going on. So it went very well. I think it went smoothly.
Well, Felicia, happy edgiversary, as we say here. I'm so happy that you came in for the year follow-up.
I am too.
It has been a pleasure. You look absolutely amazing. And for anybody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, please contact us here at Natural Transplants, and we'll answer any questions that you may have regarding hair transplants. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.